Welcome back to our video on mastering Google search. In addition to the top tips and tricks we have covered earlier, we got some more tips to help you to take your Google search skills to the next level. So the first we are going to talk about the related operator. So if you are looking for information related to a certain website or a topic, simply use the related operator. So for example, if you are researching the benefits of yoga, you could search like related colon and then the website URL. Now press enter. Now you will get the results which are related to this website. So if you see here all the websites are related to yoga and they are describing how yoga is beneficial for our health. Okay, now let's talk about the cache operator. For example, if you want to see the older version of a certain web page, use the cache operator followed by the web page URL. So for example, if you want to see the cache version of the Wikipedia page for coffee, so you could search like cache and then the URL of that page dot Wikipedia. Now press enter. Now it will redirect you to the cache version of that page. So if you see, this is the older version of the Wikipedia page for coffee. Okay, now what if you want to see the search results from a certain location? You can use the LOC operator followed by the location. So for example, if you want to see the results for pizza restaurant in New York City, so you could search like pizza and then colon, then LOC and then colon and then the city name. So if you see here, it is showing that the results for New York and USA. Choose and from here you can also choose your area. So this is how you can get the results from a specific location. Now let's talk about all in title operator. If you want to find a web page with a specific keyword in the title, simply you can use the all title operator followed by the word. For example, if you are looking for a page about healthy eating with recipes and tips in the title, so you could search like all in title healthy eating recipe tips. Now press enter and you will get the relevant page for this keyword. So if you see, here all these words are included in this title as well as in all these titles, as well as in all titles. Okay, now let's talk about the in-text operator. If you are looking for a web page with a specific word or a phrase in the body of that text, use the in-text operator followed by the word. For example, if you are researching the benefits of green tea and wants to find the page that mention antioxidants, so you could search like green tea in text antioxidants. Okay, now press enter. So here you can see that the now the Google is showing us the results which contains the word antioxidant. So if you go down here, you can see antioxidant is included. In the same way, in each and every page you will be able to see the word antioxidants. Did you know that you can use Google to convert units of measurements? So simply type in the measurement unit and the unit you want to convert followed by the word to and the unit you want to convert to. Okay, don't be confused. Let me show you that how you can write this. So you need to write here 5 miles to kilometer. Now it will convert this to kilometer. Okay, now press enter, see the conversion. So you see, in 5 miles we have 8 kilometers. Okay, also it is showing the formula that you need to multiply this by 1.609 and you will get your results in kilometers. Okay, now let's talk about before and after operators. If you are looking for information at a certain time period, simply use before and after operator followed by the date in the format of year, then month and then date. For example, if you are researching the history of internet and only wants the information from 1990s, so you could search, right? You need to write here history. This is what we want to learn about. Now we are going to mention our date before 2000 and here is month and the date and after 1989. Make sure that there should not be any space. Now press enter. Now here you can see that we have the results from 1998, 1993, 1999, and so on. So this is how you can get the relevant pages by writing before and after date after your search query. So this is about today's session, and there you have it. Some of the most useful operators to use in Google searches. Incorporate these tips and tricks into your search routine and see how they can help you to find the information you need quickly and efficiently. Thanks for watching.